Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can import and export a project with Asana. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open up your project where you need to import. So you're gonna click on the header of your project and you will see a drop down menu at the right side. You're gonna click on it and then over there you will see an import option. Click on it and then choose the file type. It could be an email, a WOFO or a CSV. Then if it's CSV, click on CSV and then follow the steps on board and you will be able to import your file or your project. Now to export a project, it's the same method. You simply have to click on the drop down menu at the project header and then you need to click on export/print and then you need to select a format, so JSON or CSV. Now once you do this, your project will be exported in that file format. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel as it really helps us out. Thank you guys for watching.